How to enable or disable dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page where your clips are placed on the timeline. Select the clip you want to apply dynamic zoom to by clicking on it. Next, look for the inspector panel on the top right side of the screen. If you don't see it, click the inspector button to open it. In the inspector, scroll down until you find the dynamic zoom section. To enable dynamic zoom, simply toggle on the switch next to dynamic zoom. If you want to adjust the zoom effect, click on the dynamic zoom icon in the viewer, then select from the drop-down options linear, ease in, ease out, or ease in and ease out. To disable dynamic zoom, just toggle off the dynamic zoom switch in the inspector. This will instantly remove the zoom effect from your clip. Remember, dynamic zoom is great for adding movement to still shots or making static clips more engaging. But if you want a simple clip without zooming, disabling it is just as easy. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.